Hello students, welcome to my channel Maths Tutorials, and in my very first video I'm just going to introduce numbers and operations, that's mixed operations. So we will be covering BODMAS. So some people say BODMAS, so it doesn't matter, just different pronunciations all the time. So here we go. So first of all I start with some basics. So you should know what is whole number and natural number. So when we ordinarily just start counting objects, we start from 1, like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So the smallest natural number is 1. If we add 0 to these natural numbers, that make whole numbers. So the smallest whole number is 0. So now proceeding further, first of all, what is BODMAS? So in doing mixed operations, so like sums that have addition, subtraction, multiplication, like mix of all these operations, how they are going to be solved, we will follow this rule. First of all, we will solve bracket, then off means whatever operation it is in the bracket, then division, multiply, addition and subtraction. So here addition and subtraction goes on simultaneously. I'll just explain you in few examples how they're gonna work. So I'll just explain you with few examples here. So first of all, I just use some basic examples. So in my first example, I have taken 20 divided by 4 plus 5. In this we have two operations, division and addition. So if we use that formula, that gives us division first because we don't have any bracket in this question. So we will follow and solve division first. That gives us 5 and then we will add the remaining 5. That gives 10 answer. So I think that's simple enough and you understand it well. And now proceed to the next one. Here we got 15 minus 2 times 5 plus 9. So what do you see in this example? We have mix of subtraction, multiplication and addition. So in this question, we will first solve multiplication as per our rule. So here we just keep 15 as it is. So I'll just explain you step by step. So in this first step, I'll just put 15 as it is. Then I first multiply 5 and 2, that gives 10. I don't change any sign. So whatever it is, just put it as it is. So 5 times 2, 10 and plus 9. And in the next step, what I have done, 15 minus 10 gives me 5. Then I will add 9 to that. That gives me final answer 14. So here students, just look very carefully what some students do. Even my son does it wrong sometimes. What he does, he usually first add 10 and 9. That gives 19. That means 15 as it is minus 19. But that gives us wrong answer. Why this is wrong? Because if we add first, we have 10, that is big number as compared to 9, but 10 have negative sign with it, so it will not add up as it is. We will explain in deep when I will cover integers later on. So we're not going to follow this rule. Here what I have explained you earlier, addition and subtraction goes on simultaneously. So here we will subtract first. That gives us 15 minus 10 equals 5 plus 9, that gives 14. So keep it always in your mind. You have to follow very carefully when it comes to addition and subtraction. So I hope you all understand this point. Now I proceed to the next point. I have taken few examples. So students, in the next example, you can see all the 4 operations. So first, what will you do? First of all, you will divide. That gives you 2 answer. So students, it's very important you make it's as simple as you can. Try to put all other things as it is. To make it simple, just write first the answer of division, that is 2, all other as it is. Next, we will multiply as per our rule. This gives 350 plus 2 minus 120. Then addition of these two numbers, 352 minus 120, and the final answer by subtracting these two numbers we will get 232. So far we have covered all the 4 operations. Now I would like to introduce some bracket so that you also have clear understanding of how we will operate brackets. So in this example we have bracket, and in this bracket we have 2 operations. So we will first solve bracket, but in this bracket we have division and subtraction, so we will do division first, keeping all other as it is. So what you can see, 30 minus still in the bracket because we have not solved the bracket completely. We have 12 left minus the answer of this is 2. 6 divided by 3, 2. Next step, now 12 minus 2 gives us 10. I have removed this bracket because I have solved it completely now. That gives me 10 answer. Now 30 minus 10, the last answer I will get, the final answer is 20. So even if in the brackets there are different operations, so try to solve it step by step, and once you have solved all in your bracket, then remove the bracket. So gives us 20 answer. So if we make it more complex, like I have introduced more than 1 brackets like that. So in this example you can see there are 3 brackets. So how will you solve this? So the rule is you will solve the inner bracket first. In this example 4 times 3 in the bracket, that gives the innermost bracket. So you will do this, that gives 12, and keeping all other brackets as it is. So I have not touched anything else. 15 minus, I have removed this bracket because I have solved that one. 4 times 3, 12. Now what is the inner bracket in these two? This is clearly understandable. So I will use this one, that gives 15 minus 12, 3. Removing this bracket, 3. Now I left with just outer bracket. Now I'll solve it at the end. That gives me 21. Now in the end, in the last step, 126 divided by 21 gives me 6. So guys, I have covered brackets, multi-brackets, all the operations in these questions. So one thing more that I want to explain you. So mathematics is not just memorizing the facts. It's more about practicing. So once you have understood the topic, so try to solve as many examples, as many questions as you like. So doing more and more practice makes you perfect. So for this, I have prepared some examples for you, some practice questions for you that you can try yourself, and I will be uploading these answers in the next video. So guys, this is all for today. So try to solve these practice questions and check your answers in the next video. So guys, I hope you all enjoy the video. So don't forget to subscribe and like my channel for more updates. See you next time. Stay home, stay safe.